1. 1980 Mercury Capri Drag Car. Price: $9,900. Located Jonesboro, Tennessee, United States. This 1980 Mercury Capri is a purpose-built Fox-body drag car designed for serious small-tire competition, offering proven performance and a solid foundation for a competitive race program. Built as a 28x9 small-tire setup, this Capri features a robust 4-link rear suspension paired with a Ford 9-inch rear and equipped with aggressive 4.88 gears. Stopping power is handled by Wilwood rear disc brakes, complemented by drilled and slotted front rotors for consistent braking performance on and off the strip. The chassis setup includes QA1 double adjustable rear shocks with adjustable lower control arms, along with a drive shaft loop for added safety. Up front, a K-member front suspension is fitted with strange single adjustable shocks, improving weight transfer and launch consistency. Steering has been upgraded with a MotionWorks steering column and a strange removable steering wheel, giving the driver a race-focused cockpit feel. Powertrain components include a big block Chevrolet motor plate and midplate, with a 496 cubic inch short block that requires final assembly to be completed. The transmission is a Powerglide equipped with a Transbrake and a 5,000 revolutions per minute stall torque converter, making it ideal for consistent drag racing launches. The car includes electronics such as an MSD6AL ignition and Little Wizard delay box, though they are currently not hooked up. Previously, this Mercury Capri ran an impressive 6.13 seconds in the 8th mile with a 511 BBC and Powerglide combination, demonstrating its true drag racing potential. This vehicle is being offered as is, making it an excellent opportunity for racers looking for a capable and affordable drag car platform. 2. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Drag Car. Price: $28,000. Located Crestview, Florida, United States. This 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS is a fully developed drag car built for consistent performance and competitive racing, offering a true turnkey setup ready to hit the track. Finished as an RS model, this Camaro combines aggressive styling with a serious race-proven drivetrain. Under the hood sits a powerful 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on alcohol, built with a strong 4-bolt main foundation, Eagle 43/40 forged crankshaft, 4.250-inch stroke, H-beam connecting rods, and solid lifters. The engine is topped with new Dart cylinder heads and a comp roller camshaft, delivering reliable high RPM performance. Power is transferred through a freshly built Powerglide transmission equipped with a ProBrake system, professionally prepared with BT components to ensure durability and quick reaction times. A Ford 9-inch rear end provides strength and confidence under hard launches. The car is supported by a modern 16-volt electrical system and features a Moroso vacuum pump for improved ring seal and engine efficiency. Safety and reliability upgrades include new Pro 1 seatbelts, a new water pump, fresh spark plugs, and new front tires. The car is known for its ease of driving and consistency, reportedly running between 5.81 and 5.86 seconds in the 8th mile throughout the season. This Camaro is an excellent choice for racers seeking a dependable, competitive drag car that is ready to cut lights and win rounds with minimal setup required. 3. 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle SS LS Swap Drag Car. Price: $10,000. Located Raleigh, North Carolina, United States. This 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a project drag car featuring a modern LS engine swap, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, offering a solid foundation for performance-focused enthusiasts. The Chevelle SS platform is well known for its strong chassis and iconic muscle car presence, making it a popular choice for drag racing and pro street-style builds. Under the hood, the vehicle has been converted to a 5.3-liter LS engine setup, delivering modern reliability, improved power potential, and wide aftermarket support. The LS platform allows for future upgrades such as camshaft enhancements, forced induction, or nitrous systems, depending on the builder's goals. The Turbo 400 transmission is a proven choice for drag racing applications, known for its strength and ability to handle high horsepower levels when properly built. This Chevelle retains its classic muscle car appearance while benefiting from updated drivetrain technology. The combination makes it suitable for racers or builders looking for an affordable entry into LS-powered drag or street strip builds. With its recognizable SS heritage, this car provides a strong base for customization, whether the goal is bracket racing, weekend track use, or continued development into a more aggressive competition car. Offered at an accessible price point, this 1973 Chevelle SS is ideal for buyers seeking a classic American muscle car with modern powertrain potential, ready to be finished and tailored to their specific performance vision. 4. 1956 Chevrolet Classic Drag Car. Price: $20,000. Located Birch River, West Virginia, United States. This 1956 Chevrolet Classic Coupe is an old-school drag car built with authentic 1970s race, styling, and hardware, making it a unique piece of American drag racing history. Designed primarily for straight-line performance, this vehicle features aluminum floors and an aluminum firewall, reducing weight while maintaining a race-focused structure. Power comes from a built 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a transbrake and a 5,000 revolutions per minute stall converter, allowing for aggressive launches off the line. The rear end is geared with 4.56 gears, optimized for drag strip acceleration. The chassis setup reflects classic drag racing engineering, utilizing ladder bars with leaf springs and roller components, a configuration commonly seen in period-correct race cars. The front suspension remains largely factory style, with the exception of a rack and pinion steering conversion that improves steering response and control. This Chevrolet includes a variety of racing electronics, including ignition components and adjustable launch control pills, allowing tuning for different track conditions. Built during the 1970s era of drag racing, this car carries genuine old-school character while still offering serious performance capability. The vehicle is being offered with a clean focus on drag racing use and is available for trade consideration only towards specific classic street cars. This is a rare opportunity to own a true vintage drag car with period-correct design and proven performance components. 5. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 509 CI. Price: $58,500. Located Duluth, Georgia, United States. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle is a true SS 396 Sport Coupe that has been professionally upgraded into a high-performance muscle car while retaining its classic SS identity. Finished in striking inferno orange with black lower stripes, this Chevelle commands attention with its aggressive stance, cowl hood, and period-correct SS badging. Beneath the hood sits a powerful 509 cubic inch Merlin big block V8, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque designed for both street performance and show appeal. The engine is paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, a proven combination known for strength and reliability. Modern performance upgrades include a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system installed in 2022, along with an MSD ignition control module to ensure consistent throttle response and dependable starts. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator with electric fans, while coated headers, dual exhaust, and MagnaFlow mufflers provide both performance and an aggressive exhaust note. Handling and braking have been upgraded with Hotchkiss suspension components and drilled and slotted disc brakes, giving this Chevelle confident road manners. Rolling stock consists of 19-inch front and 20-inch rear Budnik alloy wheels, enhancing both grip and visual presence. Inside, the car features bucket seats, a center console, and a hidden Alpine stereo system that blends modern comfort with classic style. With low mileage since completion and a clean title, this Chevelle is a well-rounded muscle car ready to enjoy. 6. 1980 Chevrolet Monza Drag Car. Price: $18,000. Located Atmore, Alabama, United States. This 1980 Chevrolet Monza is a dedicated drag racing machine built with a full-round tube chassis and a funny car cage, making it a serious contender for competitive racing. Designed with safety and performance in mind, this Monza is capable of recertification to an 8.50 chassis specification, offering confidence for higher speed passes. The rear suspension features a 4-link setup with aggressive 4.88 gearing, while the front utilizes a strut-style configuration optimized for straight-line performance. The electrical system is professionally installed using K and are wiring with digital dial boards, allowing precise control and data management at the track. Rolling stock includes Billet Specialties wheels paired with double beadlocked rear wheels to ensure tire security during hard launches. This car is set up specifically for big block Chevrolet power, providing flexibility for racers looking to install their preferred engine combination. The interior and structure reflect a no-compromise race build, focusing on strength, weight distribution, and safety rather than street use. With its purpose-built chassis, quality components, and proven drag racing design, this Chevrolet Monza is an excellent platform for racers seeking a competitive and well-prepared drag car. Offered with no trades considered, this vehicle represents a solid opportunity for those ready to step into serious drag racing with a professionally constructed foundation. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street/Drag Build. Price: $12,000. Located Freeport, Florida, United States. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is a highly modified Pro Street style build that blends classic muscle car looks with modern drag racing engineering. Originally a four-door platform, this Chevelle has been extensively transformed with a mild steel square-tube chassis and a four-link rear suspension. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch unit fitted with a strange spool and 35 spline axles, providing the strength required for high-horsepower applications. Power comes from a Gen 3 6.0-liter LS engine featuring a TBSS intake, stainless headers, a 92mm cable-operated throttle body, and a standalone ACES Jackpot EFI system. Fuel delivery is handled by a high-capacity system with GM injectors, return-style regulation, and -10 and lines throughout. The engine is backed by a freshly built Powerglide transmission with a 1.76 first gear, Ultra Bell housing, and a 4,500 revolutions per minute torque converter, controlled by a quarter-stick shifter with solenoid. Suspension and braking components include QA1 front shocks, competition engineering rear shocks, tubular Mustang-style front suspension, and strange brakes with hubs and rotors. Inside, the car features Kirky racing seats, new SFI seat belts, and a fully rewired electrical system with MSD selectable shift control. With a clean Florida title, this Chevelle can be configured for pro street use, making it a versatile and aggressive build. 8. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Price: $26,000. Located Milton, Florida, United States. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray represents a classic American sports car that has been extensively refreshed to provide strong visual appeal and reliable driving performance. The exterior has received new paint, giving the car a clean and updated appearance while maintaining the iconic Corvette body lines of the late 1970s. Inside, the interior has also been renewed, creating a comfortable and well-presented cabin suitable for both cruising and weekend enjoyment. Mechanically, this Corvette benefits from a newly rebuilt engine with less than 1,200 miles since completion, offering peace of mind and dependable performance. Supporting upgrades include new power steering components, new window motors, and a new electric antenna. The audio system has been refreshed with a new radio and speakers, allowing modern convenience while preserving the classic driving experience. The suspension and braking systems have been addressed as well, with all brakes replaced and the wheels and tires reported to be in excellent condition. The car rides and drives smoothly, making it suitable for regular use rather than being a garage-only collectible. It is equipped with factory air conditioning, though the compressor and brackets are currently missing, leaving an opportunity for the next owner to complete the system if desired. Overall, this 1978 Corvette is a well-sorted classic that blends vintage style with thoughtful mechanical updates, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic sports car. 9. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 drag car. Price: $28,500. Located Yukon, Oklahoma, United States. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 is a serious small-tire drag car built for high-level performance while retaining the unmistakable presence of a first-generation Camaro. Configured to run X275 or Ultra Street classes, this Camaro is designed for competitive racing and aggressive straight-line acceleration. Under the hood sits a massive 582 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built by Nicer Racing, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque suited for high-stakes drag racing. Power is managed through an M&M-built TH400 2-speed automatic transmission, paired with a Pro Torque converter to deliver consistent launches and reliable power transfer. The braking system has been upgraded with TBM brakes, while Santhif shocks provide the suspension control needed for effective weight transfer and stability at speed. This combination reflects a carefully selected set of components focused on performance, consistency, and durability. The car is described as being extremely clean and well-sorted, with no significant damage or mechanical issues reported. Although listed with a placeholder price, the seller indicates a serious cash or trade value reflecting the quality of the build. This Camaro is intended for experienced racers or collectors seeking a competitive drag car with proven components and strong visual impact. It stands as a no-compromise race machine built to perform and command attention at the track. 10. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Drag Car. Price: $24,000. Located Holden, Missouri, United States. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is a race-ready small-tire drag car featuring a fresh performance build and a clean, well-maintained presentation. Powered by a newly rebuilt 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with a 2-bolt main configuration, this Malibu is designed for strong and consistent 8th-mile performance. The engine rebuild was completed by Advanced Engine in Salina, Kansas, with supporting work performed by Larson Racing, and documentation is available for the listed components. The drivetrain includes a Turbo 400 automatic transmission paired with a reverse pattern throttle body setup, ensuring durability and precise control under racing conditions. A strange 4.56 rear gear has been installed, along with new adjustable struts, shocks, and disc brakes, all with 0 passes since installation. Supporting systems such as batteries, fuel lines, and a new shifter have also been replaced, contributing to the car's turnkey readiness. Despite its race-focused nature, this Malibu retains glass windows with functional roll-up door glass, adding to its versatility and clean appearance. The interior is reported to be in near-perfect condition, reinforcing the overall quality of the build. With prior performance estimates in the mid-5.70 range in the 8th mile and no passes on the new setup, this Malibu offers significant potential for competitive racing. Clean title in hand. This is a strong opportunity for racers seeking a refined and capable drag car platform.